English conversation, speaking and listening skills practice, questions and answers. Let's learn together.
What is your name?
My name is Tom. It is easy to say. I like my name because it is short. Many people have the same name.
Where are you from?
I am from London. It is the capital city of the UK. I have lived there all my life. The city is big and busy. I like living in London.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. I was born in 2004. I will be 21 next year. I feel young and happy.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. I read a lot of stories in my free time. Books help me learn new things. My favorite book is about animals. Reading makes me happy.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play football. I also like to watch movies with my friends. Sometimes I read books. I enjoy listening to music, too. These activities make me feel relaxed.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It is the color of the sky and the sea. Blue makes me feel calm and happy. I have many blue clothes. What is your favorite color?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is small and has brown fur. I love playing with him every day. Max is very friendly.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I eat breakfast with my family. After that, I get ready for the day. I feel fresh and ready to start.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I like the cheese and tomato sauce on top. Sometimes I add vegetables like mushrooms and peppers. I eat pizza with my friends on weekends. It tastes very good.
Where do you study?
I study at a small school near my house. I go there every day except weekends. My teachers are kind and helpful. I like learning new things in class. The school is clean and big.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. I learned to swim when I was 10 years old. I go swimming once a week. Swimming is fun and good for my health. I feel strong after swimming.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball. I like it because it is fast and exciting. I play with my friends in the park. We try to score points by putting the ball in the basket. Basketball helps me stay fit.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school every day. My house is close, so it only takes 10 minutes. I enjoy walking because I can see the trees and flowers. Sometimes I meet my friends on the way. Walking is also good exercise.
What do you like about your country?
I like the people in my country. They are very friendly and kind. I also like the food here. The weather is nice most of the time. There are many beautiful places to visit.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English. It helps me talk to people from different countries. English is useful when I travel. I also enjoy learning new words. I feel proud when I can speak English well.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I get out of bed and wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed for the day.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. I usually have toast and eggs. Sometimes I drink orange juice or coffee. Breakfast gives me energy for the day.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I go to work or school. I get my bag, and I leave the house. I walk or take the bus to my destination.
Do you work or study?
I am a student, so I go to school. I study subjects like math, science, and English. I spend most of my day in class learning new things.
What time do you start work or school?
I start school at 8:30 in the morning. I have my first class then. I sit with my friends in the classroom and listen to the teacher.
How many hours do you spend at school or work?
I usually spend about 6 hours at school. My classes finish at 2:30 in the afternoon. After that, I go home or sometimes I stay for activities.
What do you do after school or work?
After school, I like to relax. I sometimes do my homework first. Then, I watch TV or play with my friends. I enjoy my free time.
Do you take a nap during the day?
No, I don't usually take a nap during the day. I have a lot to do, like studying and playing. But sometimes, if I feel very tired, I might take a short nap.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I try to exercise a few times a week. I like to go for a run or play football. Exercise makes me feel good and keeps me healthy.
What time do you eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch around 12 o'clock. I eat at school or sometimes at home. I like to have rice, vegetables, and chicken for lunch.
Do you cook your own dinner?
No, I don't usually cook dinner. My mom or dad cooks for the family. I help sometimes by setting the table. We eat dinner together in the evening. What do you do in the evening? In the evening, I do some relaxing activities. I might read a book or play games. Sometimes I talk with my family. It's a nice time to rest. Do you watch TV every day? Yes, I watch TV for a little while every day. I like watching cartoons or funny shows, but I don't watch for too long because I need to do other things.
What time do you eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock in the evening. Dinner is usually a little bigger than lunch. We talk about our day while we eat.
When do you do your homework?
I usually do my homework after I eat dinner. I sit at my desk and focus on my studies. Sometimes I need help, so I ask my parents.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I change into my pajamas. I sometimes read a book before sleeping.
Do you go to bed at the same time every night?
Yes, I try to go to bed at the same time every night. I usually sleep at 10 o'clock. Going to bed early helps me feel rested in the morning.
How many hours do you sleep?
I try to sleep for 8 hours every night. It's important to sleep enough so I can feel good and do well in school the next day.
Do you have a favorite part of your day?
Yes, my favorite part of the day is the evening. I can relax and spend time with my family. I also like watching my favorite TV shows before bed.